You decide wasn't wrong. I was stupid for a while, swept away by you, and now I feel like a fool. So confused, my heart's bruised, but I am not by you, out of reach, so far. I never had your heart, out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. I was with the spot before I met I don't drink so hard, moved to the city and wrote top one. 4 years so long, my little baby in the one top one, and so baby, pull me closer, and you're dancing on your own. Let him know you can afford it. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, from the sweet side of the corner, of the matches that you stole. Don't you look me back in order, we ain't never getting hurt.
Kasi kanina, dahil nabigyan na kayo ng mga paberte na sweatshirt. Pero si Jose kasi, parang buwan tuloy. Kaya nga ako narito ngayon para matuloy. Alam nyo naman, happy birthday po.
Jose!
Ito po, tanggapin nyo 3 piraso. 3 piraso sa palo. Kasi special po yan. Oh, may itlog sa loob yan. Okay.
Nakatat yun, I love you.
Oh, tatlo yan. I love you. Happy birthday. Ay, teka, nagkamali ako.
Bossing, medyo betis daw siya.
Ha? Ano?
Wala
Wala ako sa akin. Ilan taon na kayo? 83. 83? Oh, saan ako nabulog ka? Ito pa nga sa kaliwa. Ay, sa inyo, happy birthday po. Binigay ng libro. Kilala mo ba ito?
Si Ate Luz!
Hindi rin kilala.
Ha? Hindi mo birthday ka. Gusto mo. Suke? Oo, hindi. Yun po yung suke.
Saan yung suka dito?
Opo. Sige, puno po kayo at mag-enjoy na po kayo. Thank you, happy birthday. Balik ka na sa birthday mo. Music, arts, physical education, health.
Music, arts, physical education, and health. Who?
Music! Hey, Nali, you listen to your daddy, okay?
So, sasabihin natin yung wow, okay ng iba't ibang emosyon. Supportive, okay? Wow, okay!
Sumusupport ka sa kanya,
Oh, support. Wow, okay!
Wow, okay!
Dapat walang kamay para hindi kasama sa
Wow, okay! Siyempre kasama yung
Wow. Okay. Kuya, disappointed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Sincere with sarcastic. Wow! Okay!
Wow, okay.
Paano yung mga ganun? Payami, yan. Human?
Wow. Wow. Maano ka pa eh.
Flirting ako, kuya!
Wow, okay.
Ah, ganun lang, normal lang.
Siya na yun eh.
Wow. Okay. Ano?
ang lantog naman.
Flirting nga daw eh.
Okay.
Angry daw. Wow.
Wow. Oo, di okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay na kayo? Ha? Everyday? Okay.